Hey everyone, Mr.E here with another quick tutorial video for students and beginners as you learn to use SolidWorks. And what I'm going to show you how to do is how to mirror a sketch feature. So look, I'm making a super simple phone case here for another project I'm doing, and I need to simply mirror this box on this side of my phone case, right? So how do I do that? Well, let me just get myself a nice flat perspective here. And to mirror, you need two things. You need the thing you want to mirror and also the line you want to mirror across. So I'm going to make a center line. So I'm going to click right in the center of my phone case and give myself a perfectly vertical line there, right up the middle, just like so. Now I'm going to click Mirror Entity, and the entity I want to mirror is all of this, and I want to mirror about that line. Then I hit the checkbox, and I've mirrored my part, which is pretty cool. Now you can also mirror a 3D part in a very similar way. So you'll notice that in my, now I'm in the 3D feature here. If I wanted to click this mirror tool, this is asking what 3D part I want to mirror. So for example, I can say I'm going to mirror about this plane. And what I'm going to mirror is these bodies. And you'll see that it goes ahead and it mirrors that part along that plane, right? If you want to mirror a 3D part instead of a sketch feature. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.